Okay guys, today I have another geeky mystery box for you. This time it is from GeekFuel. So if you're interested to see what comes in a GeekFuel mystery box, keep on watching. What's up, gorgeous people? It's Amber. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I have for you a GeekFuel mystery box. I'm so excited. I love these kinds of boxes. Guys, you saw me recently unbox the Heroes Tower mystery box, and I absolutely love that one as well. And what was near and dear to my heart about that particular box is that you get handcrafted items. Yes! That is so awesome. I was 100% sold on that one. That is probably one that I would do for like the rest of my life. Nonetheless, I was curious about some of the other ones that are out there. So I went ahead and gave this one a go. I got it on Groupon, believe it or not. It was $22 and then you had to pay $6 shipping and handling. Now, the normal cost for this box is $57 per quarter. Okay guys, so I have to correct myself because I clearly just gave you guys bad information, and I definitely want to make sure that you guys have the right information in case you're interested in this box. So clearly it's $29 a month if you chose the monthly option, but if you choose the 3-month option, it's $84 for the 3 months. And I got a deal through Groupon. Had I realized that's what it was, I would have got $57 for 3 months and I would have received a box each month. And I didn't realize that's what it was for. Had I realized that, I definitely would have done it. I was under the impression it was $57 for just one box every 3 months. Clearly, that is not the case. However, I do think that this pricing is just right up there with all the rest of the boxes should you be interested in getting this one. There's also a 6-month option, but clearly that's out of stock at this time. Okay, so one more thing. They also offer boxes where you can give them as gifts, so there's no renewal for those subscriptions if you so choose to do that. Now, let's get back into the video. Now we're going to have to see how great this box is, and that's going to determine whether or not I continue to do this because that's a lot of money per quarter. We'll see how it goes. I mean, it's almost the cost of the FabFitFun box, but I don't know. We'll have to see how this one goes. I love this kind of stuff and I would love to be able to afford to do that, but that is a big chunk of change, even though it's only quarterly. So we'll see how it goes. So without further ado, let's see all of the hopefully fabulous things they sent me in this GeekFuel box. Let's do it. Okay guys, as always, I gotta give credit where credit is due. Their packaging is pretty stellar. I mean, this is a really stellar box here, guys. I love the whole layout of it, everything. This is a really great box. So I did go ahead and just pop it open, but I didn't actually look and see what was inside because I want to do that with you. So let's go ahead and pop the, wow. Wow. Oh, wow. Okay. Woo. Breathe, Amber. Breathe, Amber. Breathe. All right. I don't know where to start. Okay. We'll start here. So we have, ooh, looks like Optimus Prime. Yes. I love the Transformers. I mean, I love the Transformers. Okay, so, what is this? This is a mini figure with a sticker. So I'm going to go ahead and actually open this up, guys, because I'm really curious to see what is in here. I mean, I would have possibly gifted it to one of my nieces or nephews, but I love the Transformers, so why would I do that? Okay, so let's see what's in here. Oh, it's a tiny little bag. And I'm never prepared. So let me go ahead and grab some scissors because I want to show this to you guys because now the anticipation's there and I have to do it. So let me go grab some scissors and I'll be right back. Okay, sorry about that. I really need to be more prepared for these unboxings. So I got my scissors. We're going to go ahead and cut this open so you guys know I didn't take a look at it yet. I'm super excited about it. Oh, it's so little. Oh, look at him. So he's orange. He's not the Transformer colors that he normally is. But yeah, he's orange. And then you get a little Bumblebee sticker. Did you guys catch my superhero video? You got to see my Bumblebee outfit. It's totally ridiculous. But this is really cute. I wish it was Optimus Prime colors, though. I didn't realize it was going to be this. But hey, I'm down. So there's that. That's so awesome. I would definitely find a place to put this because I have like a geeky area in my house where I can put this. So that's exciting. I don't even know where to put this right now. Okay, this box is taking up a lot of space. So we have another one of those, and this is Megatron. Yay! I didn't have to look at these guys. I know what these ones are. In my last Heroes Tower unboxing, there was quite a few things I was unfamiliar with. These, I know what I'm talking about. Okay, great. So let's go ahead and pop open Megatron. Oh my gosh, I'm really ruining the box here. So even if I wanted to give it to somebody, I couldn't. So let's see what Megatron looks like. I'm pretty sure we'll probably run into the same situation where it looks nothing like what he really looks like. But, you know, okay, he's orange too. Okay, so he's an orange little Megatron. There you go. And we got a Shockwave sticker. You guys getting the sticker? I feel like it's glaring. Hopefully you're getting it. So yeah, that's what came in this part of it. So that's pretty cool. Not exactly what I thought. I was thinking they were going to be the colors of the actual characters, but you know, this is cool too. Okay, so we have, oh, it's a bobblehead. What? So it's a Predator bobblehead. What? Okay, guys, this is very cool. I am not going to take this one out of the box. I hope that you're getting it. I hope it's not glaring because I'm going to hold it to the side because I can see the glare. But I hope that you guys are seeing this. I will definitely take a picture of it so you guys can get a better idea of what this looks like. This is cool. This is very cool. Okay, so this box is pretty cool so far. Okay, so on top here, they have this t-shirt. Okay, let's see what we have here. Black Panther. We have a Black Panther t-shirt. Okay, I'm not a Black Panther fan. I do know who that is, guys. I'm very familiar with him, but I'm not a huge fan, but I love the t-shirt. I love the colors. What size is this? It is an adult large. Looks kind of small, but it's an adult large. Super cute. Yes. Here we go. I'll definitely wear it. I can tell you that much. But, you know, whatever. You just don't know what you're going to get in these things. Let's go for this big one. This is a Pinky and the Brain figurine. I guess it's just the figurine. Oh, it's on a little carp. Oh my gosh. Look at this, guys. You getting this? I hope that you guys are seeing this. I can see the glares happening. So I'm going to hold it out to the side where I think it's not glaring. And hopefully you guys are getting to see how great this stuff is. This is pretty friggin' awesome. Wow. Okay, this is cool. Okay. So there's that. And what is this? This is a Rugrats notebook. Oh, that's cute. You guys getting that? So here's the back here. Oh, I don't want to take these out because I'm definitely going to be giving this as a gift to one of my nieces or nephews. So I'm not going to take this one out of the thing because it's definitely going to be regifted. So I don't want to mess it up, but there you go. So awesome. Yay. Okay, we're going to grab these smaller things here. So a Slurm, it's highly addictive sticker. It's like a vinyl sticker. Getting that. Okay. And then we have GEEKFUEL sticker, a vinyl sticker. And the last thing, oh no, it's not. What's this? Chariot downloadable Steam game. Oh, so they give you a little gift card to get this game. Well, that's pretty cool. I don't know if my nieces or nephews will want this. I will have to ask their parents to find out if this is something they would want, because I would definitely give this to one of them as a gift. So this box is really awesome so far for gifts, right? All right, the last thing is a mug. It's a color changing mug. Oh, that's cool. So I don't know who it is though. So it's a color changing mug. I don't know what that is. It doesn't say. Can I open it? Well, I'm sure I can, but yeah. Yeah, so I won't know what it is until I pour the water in it. I may or may not do that for you guys. Don't expose under sunlight, blah, 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 blah. You can't use it in the microwave, but the colors, oh, here we go. So the colors will change right here. I don't know if you guys can see that, but yeah, the colors are going to change right here, and they're going to change to this right here. Okay, so that's what's going to happen. That's very cool. I am not sure whether or not I will keep this mug. This may be something that I re-gift, because I really don't, you know, I don't drink tea, I don't drink coffee or any of that stuff, so I really wouldn't get a use out of a mug like this. So I may go ahead and re-gift this mug to someone who can get use out of it. So that was the last thing in this GEEKFUEL box. I like this one. This one was good. I don't know if I feel that it's worth $57 a quarter. I'm going to go on the side of no. So this will probably not be another one that I will continue to get, but I might go ahead and buy it again from Groupon because I do see it on there from time to time. So I'm sure they would send me a different box if I bought it a different month. It's not always going to be the same thing. And it's a mystery box, so I'm sure they just put in there whatever they have available at the time. So this is a very cool box. Love the box. I just don't want to pay that much per quarter. So it's probably not going to be one you see again from me unless I get it from Groupon. Okay, guys, I have to pop in here because just watching this back, I literally want to punch myself in the face because I actually love this box. Now that I realize I totally messed up not taking the $57 deal per quarter from Groupon, I'm really actually considering getting this box on the regular because I liked it that much. So ignore everything that I just said and let's move on with the video. So I hope you found it helpful or useful in some way. If you did, please hit that subscribe button, click the notification bell, like, share, do all of those things, help other people find this channel. Thanks so much for taking the time to check this out, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye! So, without further ado, let's jump into what I got in this. I didn't say what it was. Try again. So I hope that you found this helpful or useful in some way. If you did, please. Boom! Try it again. Hit that subscribe button, click the notification bell, like, share, do all of this.